ever looked up at the clear night sky and wondered where those planets and stars come from? There are multiple theories regarding the creation of the universe, but we're going to start off by talking about the much more popular Big Bang Theory. And no, I'm not talking about the sitcom that starred young Sheldon. This theory explains how the universe began with a single hot, dense ball that inflated to be the universe that we know it today. The theory states that the universe is always expanding, but maintaining a constant average density. The eternal inflation theory is explained by a hypothetical inflation universe model, which itself is an outgrowth or extension of the Big Bang Theory. A galaxy is a group of billions and billions of stars in the solar system. There are many different types of galaxies. A galaxy is held together by gravity, and each one has a huge black hole at its center. Black holes are regions of space and time that have such a great gravitational pull that not even light itself can get out of it. Black holes are dead cores of massive stars. At the center of each galaxy, there is a massive black hole, which forms the shape of the galaxy. Planets are formed around a new star by condensing at a disk of molecular gases and dust embedded within a larger molecular cloud. The remaining gas in its disk finally disappears, leaving a planet. In its full dust and debris, for a planet to be able to have life, it has to have liquid water, energy, and nutrition. But this may not be the case for every planet. This planet orbiting stars that produce high levels of X-ray and UV flux from flares and activity that could end up stripping its atmosphere, leading to the planet not being as warm or completely airless. Stars have a life cycle just like humans. They are born and then they die. But something that is different from them is that when stars die, they can create components that create new stars. A nebula is formed after an explosion, which when stars can move and become a protostar, which is a tiny star. And the protostar could either turn into a red giant or a supergiant. Red giants become white dwarf stars while red supergiants explodes. The explosion can form a neutron star, a nebula, or even a black hole. The Barnard Star, or the Barnard's Runaway, is named after American astronomer E. Barnard. He wasn't the first to observe the star, but he was the first to measure its proper motion. The Barnard Star is a small, organic-ish star with yellow around its edges. The International Space Station is a very large space station in low Earth orbit that was made by 5 different space agencies. It is a combination of NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and the CSA. The ISS is the largest space station ever built and has contributed greatly to the study of science. Just like there are theories on how the universe began, there are also theories about how it ended. One of the theories is the Big Ripple. Everything in the universe will be torn apart by the expansion of itself.